In this video, we listed the 20 cheap Temu gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards. The Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards are a practical and essential kitchen tool designed to protect fingers while cutting, slicing, and chopping vegetables, fruits, and meat. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, these finger protectors offer durability, corrosion resistance, and ease of cleaning. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, allowing for safe and precise cutting without the risk of accidental injuries. Packaged in a gift box and including 2 pieces, this set makes an excellent addition to any kitchen, especially for home cooks and professional chefs who prioritize safety. These guards are especially useful when working with sharp knives and are a great complement to other kitchen tools and accessories that enhance cooking efficiency. Given the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, these Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards align well with their focus on practical and safety-enhancing kitchen gadgets. Product 2. Product name, Kitchen Shears by Gidli. The Kitchen Shears by Gidli are a versatile and durable kitchen tool designed for various food preparation tasks. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, these ultra-sharp scissors are ideal for cutting meat, poultry, herbs, vegetables, and more. The set includes a bonus seafood scissors, making it perfect for cracking crab shells and deveining shrimp. One of the standout features is the lifetime replacement warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. With an ergonomic design for comfortable handling and a multi-purpose functionality, these all-purpose cooking shears are a valuable addition to any kitchen, complementing the user's interest in high-quality baking tools and household kitchen appliances. Product 3. Product name, Electric Garlic Chopper. The Electric Garlic Chopper is a 300 ml portable cordless mini food processor designed for quick and effortless chopping of garlic, nuts, chili, onions, minced meat, and spices. This rechargeable vegetable chopper blender is a BPA-free kitchen appliance, ensuring food safety while maintaining efficiency. Given the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this compact and cordless chopper aligns well with their preferences. Its USB rechargeable feature enhances convenience, making it a handy tool for everyday cooking without the hassle of cords or manual chopping. The one-touch operation simplifies food prep, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Additionally, its white, sleek design complements modern kitchens, while its portable nature makes it suitable for outdoor use, such as camping or picnics. Whether for finely mincing garlic or making quick spice blends, this versatile mini food processor is a practical addition to any kitchen. Product 4. Product name, Churro Maker Machine. The Churro Maker Machine is a stainless steel appliance designed for creating homemade or professional quality churros with ease. It falls within the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, making it a great addition to their collection. This Máquina para Hacer Churros Rellenos, filled churro maker, is ideal for both home bakers and professionals, offering a durable and easy-to-use design for crafting traditional or stuffed churros. This churrera, churro-making device, typically includes various nozzle attachments to create different shapes and fillings, making it versatile for experimenting with different recipes. Given the user's interest in baking supplies, bakeware sets, and kitchen gadgets, this machine could complement their existing tools, allowing for an enjoyable and efficient baking experience. Whether used for personal enjoyment or entertaining guests, this professional churro maker simplifies the process of achieving crispy, golden brown churros. Product 5. Product name, Slushy Cup. The Slushy Cup, 2-pack slushy maker cup is a fun and convenient tool for making instant frozen treats at home. Designed for kids, friends, and family, this DIY smoothie cooling cup allows users to create slushes from various liquids like juice, milk, yogurt, and even ice cream. The frozen magic squeeze cup works by freezing the inner layer, which rapidly cools the liquid inside when squeezed, transforming it into a refreshing slushie in minutes. This set of 2 cups, blue plus pink, comes with lids and straws for easy use, making it a great choice for families or those who enjoy experimenting with different flavors. The simple and reusable design ensures a mess-free experience, ideal for summer days or fun kitchen activities with kids. Whether used for making fruit slushes, iced coffee drinks, or milkshakes, the slushy cup is a creative and enjoyable addition to any kitchen. Product 6. Product name: Electric Kettles. Electric kettles are popular and efficient kitchen appliance designed for quickly boiling water, making them ideal for brewing tea, coffee, and other hot beverages. With advanced features such as rapid heating, precise temperature control, and stainless steel interiors, modern electric kettles offer both convenience and durability. One of the specialized variants is the gooseneck electric kettle, which is particularly favored by coffee enthusiasts for pour-over brewing. This type of kettle features a slim, curved spout that allows for controlled and steady water flow, enhancing the extraction process for a better-tasting coffee. Many high-end electric kettles now include ±1 temperature control, allowing users to select the perfect heat setting for different beverages, such as green tea, 175 degrees Fahrenheit, coffee, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and black tea, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, stainless steel inner components ensure pure-tasting water, free from plastic contamination. Product 7. Product name: Noodle Machine. A noodle machine is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for making fresh, homemade noodles with ease. The household handheld wireless electric noodle press is a compact and user-friendly device that allows users to create various types of noodles effortlessly. It is equipped with a molding mold and cutting machine, ensuring uniform shapes and sizes. Additionally, this machine can function as a homemade sausage maker, featuring 3 filling tubes to accommodate different sausage sizes. This Italian-style noodle machine offers convenience for pasta lovers who want to enjoy fresh, preservative-free noodles at home. Being wireless, it enhances portability and ease of use, making it ideal for modern kitchens. Its electric functionality reduces manual effort, making it a great tool for both beginners and experienced home cooks who enjoy making pasta, ramen, or even dumpling wrappers from scratch. Product 8. Product name: Dome 2 Air Fryer. The Dome 2 Air Fryer is an extra-large, high-capacity air fryer designed for quick and easy meal preparation. With its superior airflow system, it ensures even cooking and crispy results without excessive oil use. This new version boasts a self-cleaning feature, making maintenance effortless, and comes with a PFAS-free basket, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. The fryer can accommodate up to 32 chicken wings, making it ideal for large meals, gatherings, and family cooking. Given the user's interest in kitchen appliances and baking tools, the Dome 2 Air Fryer aligns well with their needs, offering a convenient, efficient, and eco-friendly way to prepare meals. Its smart digital controls further enhance the cooking experience, providing preset functions and customizable settings for various dishes. Product 9. Product name: Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker. The Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker, GPS for O1B, is a compact and user-friendly kitchen appliance designed for making quick and delicious meals. It features non-stick plates that ensure even cooking and easy food release, making it perfect for preparing breakfast sandwiches, grilled cheese, tuna melts, and various snacks. The indicator lights provide clear signals when the unit is powered on and preheated, while the cool touch handle enhances safety during use. This sandwich maker is also designed for easy cleaning and storage, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen, especially for users who appreciate efficient, space-saving appliances. Given the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, the Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker aligns well with their preference for practical and convenient cooking gadgets. Product 10. Product name: NutriChef Non-Stick Kitchen Oven Baking Pans. The NutriChef 10-piece non-stick kitchen oven baking pans, NCSBS 10S, is a high-quality bakeware set designed for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts who appreciate durable, non-stick kitchen tools. This set is made from premium carbon steel, ensuring commercial-grade strength and even heat distribution for consistent baking results. The non-stick coating prevents food from sticking, making cleanup effortless, while the silicone handles provide a secure grip, enhancing safety and ease of use. This 10-piece set includes various baking essentials, such as cookie sheets, muffin tins, round cake pans, and a loaf pan, catering to a wide range of baking needs. Given the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this NutriChef bakeware set aligns perfectly with their preference for high-quality, easy-to-use kitchen accessories. Its stylish design and durable construction make it a great addition to any kitchen, whether for everyday baking or special occasions. Product 11. Product name: Refrigerator Deodorizer. A refrigerator deodorizer is a product designed to eliminate unwanted odors from your fridge, helping maintain a fresh environment for your food. These deodorizers often last much longer than traditional methods like baking soda. For example, some bamboo air purifying bags are advertised as lasting up to 10 years, providing a long-lasting solution to fridge odor problems. Unlike baking soda, which typically needs to be replaced every few months, these deodorizers are more effective and convenient. Their bamboo-based purifiers are naturally absorbent, trapping moisture and odors, while also being eco-friendly and reusable. They are particularly useful in households with strong-smelling foods, such as cheeses, fish, or spices, or when you're storing leftovers. By placing a deodorizer in your fridge, you can keep your food smelling fresh and ensure that old food odors don't transfer to other items in the fridge. Product 12. Product name: RAVS Butane Torch Lighter. The RAVS Butane Torch Lighter is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool designed for a variety of culinary and DIY applications. This dual flame mode torch allows for precision control, making it ideal for tasks like caramelizing sugar on creme brulee, roasting peppers, or browning meats. The torch features an adjustable flame, enabling you to adjust the intensity of the flame to suit your needs, from a gentle low flame to a more intense high heat for tasks like soldering. Equipped with a safety buckle, the RAVS torch ensures safe usage by preventing accidental ignition. It is a refillable torch, meaning you can easily refill it with butane, though it's important to note that butane is not included in the package. The mini torch design makes it easy to handle and store, while still being powerful enough for various kitchen and soldering needs. Product 13. Product name: Portable Washing Machine. The Portable Washing Machine 13L is a compact and foldable mini washer that is designed for convenience and portability. With a 13-liter capacity, this washing machine is ideal for small laundry loads such as underwear, baby clothes, and socks. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, or travel. This portable washer includes a spin dryer to help dry clothes quickly after washing. The machine is designed to be lightweight and efficient, offering a practical solution for those who need a portable and space-saving washing machine for small loads. It is especially useful for individuals in situations where access to a full-size washer is limited, such as in smaller living spaces or during travel. The beige color adds a neutral touch to its appearance, making it suitable for various settings. Product 14. Product name: ICLER 2-Slice Panini Maker. The ICLER 2-Slice Panini Maker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance perfect for making delicious sandwiches and other breakfast snacks. With its non-stick coated plates, it ensures easy cooking and cleaning, preventing food from sticking to the surface. The Panini Press Grill is designed to open 180 degrees, allowing for versatile cooking options and accommodating a variety of food items like paninis, grilled sandwiches, and even snacks. This feature also makes it ideal for grilling vegetables, meats, and other items, offering flexibility in the kitchen. The compact size makes it an excellent choice for small kitchens, and it is an excellent tool for busy mornings or quick snack preparation. Whether you're a fan of crispy grilled sandwiches or simply need a reliable appliance for breakfast, the ICLER 2-Slice Panini Maker provides convenience, ease, and great results. Product 15. Product name: Presto Poplite Hot Air Popcorn Popper. The Presto Poplite Hot Air Popcorn Popper is a convenient and efficient appliance for making popcorn at home. With the ability to produce up to 18 cups of popcorn in just a few minutes, it offers a healthier option compared to traditional oil popping methods. Using hot air circulation, it creates light and fluffy popcorn without the need for oil, making it a great choice for those seeking a lower-fat, lower-calorie snack. Its compact and vibrant yellow design ensures it will fit seamlessly into most kitchen spaces. Ideal for movie nights or snack time, this popper is quick, easy to use, and easy to clean. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply craving a solo snack, the Presto Poplite offers a simple solution for enjoying fresh, homemade popcorn. Product 16. Product name 3-Packs Plug-in Gas and Carbon Monoxide Detector. The 3-Packs Plug-in Gas and Carbon Monoxide Detector is an essential safety device for any home, RV, or apartment, providing peace of mind by detecting multiple hazardous gases. This 4-in-1 detector offers a comprehensive solution by simultaneously monitoring carbon monoxide, CO, natural gas, and methane and propane gases. It features a dual display showing Fahrenheit temperature and humidity levels, making it a versatile tool for maintaining a safe and comfortable indoor environment. The plug-in design makes it easy to install without the need for batteries, ensuring continuous operation. It alerts users with loud alarms when dangerous levels of gases are detected, which is crucial for preventing poisoning, fires, or explosions. Whether in a home, RV, or apartment, this detector is an invaluable addition to your safety system, offering early warnings to protect you and your family from potential gas leaks or CO exposure. Product 17. Product name Rapid Egg Cooker. The Rapid Egg Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed for cooking eggs in various styles. With the capacity to cook up to 6 eggs at a time, this electric cooker allows you to prepare soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, as well as poached eggs and omelets. Featuring an auto shut-off function for safety, it ensures that your eggs are cooked perfectly without overcooking or burning. This egg cooker is BPA-free, making it a safe choice for health-conscious users. Its compact design and ease of use make it a great addition to any kitchen, whether for quick breakfast meals or preparing eggs for a larger family or gathering. Product 18. Product name Paper Towel Holders. Paper towel holders are practical and essential accessories in the kitchen, designed to keep paper towel rolls organized, accessible, and easy to use. The black paper towel holders are particularly stylish and blend well with modern kitchen decor. They are often available in both adhesive and screw mounting options, giving users flexibility depending on their preference for installation. The self-adhesive undercabinet holders are an excellent choice for those who prefer a no-drill installation, while the screw-mounted version offers more durability and stability for long-term use. Made of stainless steel, these holders are not only durable but also resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring they maintain their appearance and functionality for years. Stainless steel construction adds a sleek, modern look to any kitchen. These holders are designed to fit standard paper towel rolls, keeping them neatly in place while ensuring easy tearing of sheets. Additionally, bulk paper towels are ideal for use in high-demand kitchen environments, making these holders a great solution for homes, restaurants, or any place with heavy towel usage. Whether adhesive or screw-mounted, these holders provide convenience and organization for everyday tasks.